In this short video, I'm going to explain the what, the why, and the how behind the new app that I've designed, It's in the Bag. So, the main purpose of the app is to act as a travel packing tool. What you do is you can create an event, you can start creating a list of the items that you're planning on taking, and the nice little feature that makes this app stand out is you can then also create bags associated with the event or trip that you're planning on doing. The items that you've listed out, you can then assign them to the bags that you've added to the event, which makes it so much easier when you arrive at a place and you're trying to work out where something is that you're looking for. Instead of having to dig through every single bag that you've brought, you can know exactly which one it's in rather than having to unpack everything in the one go. The best way for me to explain this is to show a demo of the app. So I've got it on my phone here, you can see on the screen now, and it's available at the website URL It's in the Bag with dashes in between .vercel.app. You can access it on mobile and also on desktop. This is what the home screen looks like here. You're prompted with create an event, so we'll start with that, and I'll start just now by just doing a triathlon event. You can then select a date for when the event actually is. So we'll choose here, say Sunday the 31st of May, hit set on that, and then also an optional location. This one I don't have as a specific map tool where you select where you're going. There's probably GDPR reasons of it can track your location, so it's just a name that you would want to put in. For example, for this one, I'll just put in Keswick and create event. Once we have the event created, we can then go into the event by selecting it. And from here, we can see we've got the options of either creating a bag or adding items. What I'll do with the magic of editing is add in a good list of items that you would probably take to a triathlon in the first place. So now that we've got all these items added, we can now go on and create a bag. So for this one, I'll say just add a couple in. We'll do rucksack and then also duffel bag. From here, the items can now be assigned to those bags. So say in the duffel bag, we'll put our trainers in there, helmet in that one, it's quite a big item, tri-suit in that one as well. Sunglasses we'll probably put in our rucksack, chamois cream, yep, backpack as well, gels, yep, wetsuit, duffel bag, goggles, rucksack, and you can understand the process here. You just keep adding them and assigning them to the bags that you're planning on taking. Then, once they're packed, all you do, tick the checkbox, and there we go, it's marked as packed. So now you know that you have it definitely in your bags, and it's also in a specific bag, rather than having to question, did I put my sunglasses in the kit bag or in my backpack, just to keep them a bit more safe. The last feature here, just now all the information is just stored on my phone, but in the top right hand corner you'll have seen the flashing button for save progress and sign in. Once we select that, what happens is you'll be prompted to type in your email address. It won't create an account as such, but what happens is it will send you a magic link. This magic link will then let you access the web app once again, but store your information, save it beside your email, and allow you to access it across multiple devices. So instead of just having it on your phone, and if your phone was to completely clear the data or crash, not to worry, it will then be stored in the cloud on the internet and you can access it from anywhere. And this is what it looks like now once I've followed the magic link. It's sign out on the top right hand corner, and a previous one, I have now done a dry run of the app. I've came up the road just a couple of days ago and made sure to list out all the items I was wanting to bring. Crazy for a 4-day trip back to Scotland for my sister's birthday. Going in that, I had a total of 98 items packed across how many different bags and storage things? 7, 8 different storage places that I could have put the items. So at first when I was adding the items I didn't think it would be that useful, but in the end up it did come in very handy, and now I know exactly where everything is, I know it's packed. There we go. And that's the quick demo of my app, It's in the Bag complete. As you can see, it is incredibly simple. It's very much, in the tech world, as we would say, a minimum viable product. So it's offering the most basic functionality that you can get from the application, just to essentially be a proof of concept, allow people to go out, test it, use it on their own and try it. If you do get a chance to try it and go and use it, again, you don't have to sign in straight away, you can just store the information on your device. And if you do have any ideas, suggestions, comments for the app, for the website, make sure to put them in the comments below on this video. I'll appreciate any feedback at all. Even myself, after having used it there were a few ideas and changes that I would probably want to bring to the app. And as well, the way it's set up just now, it's still sort of in a development environment. So if you do encounter any errors where it's not letting you save the information or log into the app, if you probably come back in 15-20 minutes time, it should let you. It's just the free version that I'm using to store the information at the moment does have rate limiting in place, so there's only so many requests that you can make. If you did find this video useful, be sure to hit the like button, and if you think this tool could help someone else that you know when they're on trips, travelling, going away to events, make sure to share this video with them, and I'll catch yous in the next one.